Hello guys, today is on a Saturday and it's my son's birthday, but because we don't have much to do, I want to do a very simple birthday for him. So we are going to make mandazi. So this is the flour for mandazi. It's written mandazi flour ready to mix. So this one already has a baking powder, so you are going to add a little sugar. It also has sugar, a little sugar and a little salt. So this is salt, this is our cooking fat, this is the flour that you are going to use for rolling, and this is the sugar. This is water, guys. This is the paste that you are going to mix with, and this is the roller, and this is the sufuria, and here is the fire. This is the pan that you are going to use for cooking mandazi. So guys, let's start by mixing our ingredients before we start. So we are going to start by mixing the dry ingredients. Because it already has sugar, we are going to add a little sugar. A little sugar, salt, and then we mix them. The mixing, let's taste. It's okay. And then this is the way we do our birthdays in the village. You get whatever is there. You don't go for what you don't have. So this is our simple birthday for my son. And then we are going to add a little cooking fat. If you have margarine, you can add it, but if you don't, this solid fat does it. So we are going to mix it. Now guys, after mixing the dry ingredients together, we are going to add water slowly by slowly. So we are going to continue kneading until it's soft. We are going to knead it for about 5 minutes. So guys, We are now going to divide into small doughs so that we can roll it. Okay guys, we've made the doughs, so we are going to roll now and make our mandazi. After rolling, it should not be too thick or too thin, and then we are going to cut them into pieces. Excuse me.
Yes.
You're
better.
So guys, we are going to light our fire. So guys, our fat is already boiling, and we are going to start now frying our mandazi. So guys, we are going to cook them until they are, we are going to fry them until they are brown as we continue rolling here. Come nearer so that you can see the mandazis. You can see guys, they are now golden brown. So we are going to take them out of the fire. Before we add a second lot. So guys, this is our African tea, and we are now through with our mandazi. This is our mandazi, guys, you can see. So we are now going to eat our mandazi. So guys, this is our mandazi.